Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mithil Sarkar and I'll be teaching you about video resume today. Before I start, it is very important for us to know why is video resume important. Currently, in the job scenario, many employers are asking you, the applicants, to send their video resume along with the conventional and traditional resume and cover letter. A video resume is a short video where you introduce yourself to your potential employers. You highlight your skills, your experiences, and your personality. And the fact is that the video resume brings you to life, because there your expressions are visible, your body language is visible, and whosoever is looking at your video resume will be able to know a lot about your personality as well. So why use a video resume? It makes a memorable first impression, because there a person is able to see you. Besides that, it also highlights your confidence level, your communication skills, and your presentation skills. It demonstrates your professionalism, how professional you are, how you are speaking, what is your level of confidence, are you able enough to deal with the clients. It allows a creative expression of your technical skills as well. And it is always advisable to make a tailored or a company-specific resume, because you cannot. I would not suggest you to use a single video resume for the different jobs that you are applying for. You should always make different video resumes based on the demands of the company or the employer, and preferably a customized and tailored resume, and it should be company specific. That gives you an edge. Now, how to make a video resume? You should start your video resume with a formal greeting. Even a simple hi or hello would do. Maintain an eye contact and look at the camera lens. Shake off the nervousness and maintain a good posture. A well-structured video resume, this is especially made for BTech students. So a well-structured video resume of a BTech student should be well-structured, and it also depends on the length of the video resume. Usually it is 1 to 1.5 minutes, which would be approximately 150 to 180 words. So you can structure your entire resume into 3 different categories. The first is introduction, then the body, and then the conclusion. The first part, that is the introductory part, you will definitely begin it, like I already told you, with greeting. You can say hello or hi, and then you have to introduce yourself. You have to tell who you are. Then if you're currently working somewhere, or whichever post you're applying for, whether you are doing a relevant work or not, it's very important for you to tell that. So you can simply start with hello, I'm Rashi Datta, a passionate software engineer based in Ghaziabad, India. Currently, I'm working as a software developer intern at Campaigning Source, where I specialize in building fully responsive web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make sure that you do tell about your technical skills, as you are an engineer and a BTech student, and the employers are more concerned about the technical skills that you have. Then we come to the body of the script. Now, in the body of the script, you will definitely tell about your academic background, what relevant courses you have done, what are your accomplishments and achievements. You will tell about your technical skills, like if you are a BTech graduate, so you have to tell about the programming languages, the different kinds of tools that you know, and the certifications. To highlight about your project is also a very crucial part of your video resume. You have to tell about your key accomplishments, you have to tell about the projects that you worked on, especially if you've made many projects, then you have to highlight the main projects. And then what exactly is your project doing, what are the technical skills that you have utilized while making those projects. all these things you have to highlight in the body of the script. So you can start like, you can add on or continue saying that I'm proficient in Java and JavaScript with hands-on experience in framework and libraries like React.js. I'm also familiar with tools like Postman and Netlify. Some of my notable projects include Evently, an online event management platform built with HTML and C++. My another project is Gardenify, an online marketplace for indoor plants utilizing MongoDB and Java. Currently, I am pursuing a BTech in Computer Science Engineering with a focus on IoT from ABESIT Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. I have certifications in Java and HTML from Microsoft. I have also participated in Smart India Hackathon 2023. Now we come to the conclusion part. In conclusion, you will tell about the other relevant skills that you have, something that will work like an icing on the cake. So, what are the other the skills that you have which are relevant to the job that you're applying for? Definitely your leadership skills, your team building ability, your communication skills, all these different personality traits you can add. And then you have to also show how enthusiastic you are about the job. And then you have to end it with gratitude. And you have to make sure that, make them realize or make them feel that you are actually interested in that particular position. So you can end it by saying, I'm a self-motivated and energetic person with excellent communication and leadership skills. I strongly believe that my qualification and skill set will be a great fit for the position. You can reach me via email or call me on the number given on my resume. Thank you for watching. So, this is the sample script that I have given here. You can definitely make modifications. You can modify it as per the company requirements or the job that you're applying for, or as per your qualification, skill set or experience. Now we come to some recording tips. The recording tips. Always use a good quality camera or smartphone. Choose a clean, quiet and well-lit environment. Background should be either white or light-colored wall or even a bookshelf photo. Dress professionally. Speak clearly and confidently. Maintain eye contact with the camera. After that, after you record your script, now we come to the editing and final touches. Use a simple editing tool to trim and polish. Don't make it too complicated for yourself. Then add, and this is also optional, if you're good at that, then only you can do it. You can add text overlays for key points. Check the audio and the video quality. Save the common format in MP4, and then please practice at least 2 or 3 times before the final recording. Thank you and all the best.